What a great day to grill out. Well, this is Larry with Fire Larry, and we got the grill going. Yeah, we're going to try something again. I don't know how it'll turn out, but I got a feeling it's going to be good. And just wait and see what we do. Okay? All right, well, we're back inside, and as you can probably guess, we have ribs. And we kind of just looked to see what we had in the refrigerator and in the cupboard. And we had some barbecue sauce, some hot sauce, some teriyaki type sauce. We've got some sweet Vidalia sauce. And yeah, we've got some seasoning. We had a lot more out here, by the way. But we kind of put it all together. We wrapped it with foil, and we're going to put this on the grill and see what it looks like in a little while. We'll just see. And hey, it's probably going to taste real good. Hey, I just remembered we're going to have some sides with those ribs, and we're going to have corn. And this corn is flavored with plant-based butter. We've got some Italian sauce, and we've got some minced garlic. And that's going to be put together with the foil over it, wrapped up, put on the grill with the ribs. We're also going to have cheddar broccoli rice, and we're going to have beans. You know, we're always using beans around here. We're going to have some bacon bits on it, and who knows, we're going to look in the fridge and probably get a few other things to mix with it to make it a little sweet if it's not. And we're going to have a complete meal right here. And you know, you heard it from Larry, and let's just see what it all ends up to be. It's Larry again with the ribs, and we're bringing them out to the grill. We're going to put them on the grill and let them go. Well, it's Larry again, and I tell you what, those ribs were great. I'm telling you, we used every hand, every finger we had. They were great. And you know, it was really simple. You have to look in your fridge and see what you got in there, because if you're like me, you got stuff stuck in the back in the corner, and you don't really know what you have in there until you really look and you say, hey, I can use this, I can use that, and that's what it takes. Just take the things you have in your fridge and in your cupboard and use it for seasoning, and you can take any kind of meat. We used pork ribs, and they were absolutely great. And we had the beans. We put a little something sweet in there. I'm not really sure, brown sugar, I think. And we mixed that up with the bacon bits, and that was great. And we also had the corn that was flavored with plant-based butter and Italian sauce and a few other things. So it's real simple, folks. You know, you can get your ideas off of YouTube channels and then go look and see what you have, and what? You have a great meal. Say, this is Larry with Fire Larry, and I'll come up with something else, I'm sure. Take care.